Wagwan family. So today I'm going to share with you how I make my crème brûlée. So here I add the heavy cream to heat up. In this bowl I add a couple of egg yolks. Now I add some cinnamon powder and nutmeg powder. Here I add some sugar. Just going to whisk it. Now I'm going to add some orange zest and whisk it also. Here I add some salt. Now the heavy cream come to a boil, so I'm just going to add the heavy cream a little by little and take time and whisk it in, just like that. Now I'm strain it off. Now I'm add it to the bowl. Going to bake them in the oven for 30 minutes. Now I'm just them with some sugar. Now I'm touch them. Here I'm going to just them up with some mint, strawberry, blueberry, and blackberry. Look at this. Let me know if you would like the full recipe. Peace out.